Hey everyone, this is trailer number 7 for the chainsaw from Mr. Andy Hodge. Spot 1 gets 3, spot 10 gets 2, 10 at 5. Copy our list. Go live. 623, just rolled over 624. Paste our list, roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher, 624. We got a 5. 624, 5 times. 10 items on the list. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 items on the list. Mr. Chris on top, Miss Janet on the bottom. Randomized 4 times. Dice called for a 5. 624, final time. Good luck, everyone. It's Tanya Brown, spot number 7. 10 items, 5 times, 5 on the dice. The last 3 videos I've ran, you've hit top spot. We are done at 624. Congrats, Miss Tanya.